Welcome to Tech Solution.
Netgear Orbi AX4200 setup. Setup via manual method. First of all, locate a wall socket and then, plug your Orbi into it. Press the power button and hold on for some time. Once you are sure that your Orbi is getting an adequate power supply, connect the networking devices using a wired source. Power on the Netgear Orbi satellite and sync it to the AX4200 router. You can do so by pressing the sync button on each device. Open an internet browser and then go to the address bar. Enter orbilogin.net. Soon you will get asked to enter the login credentials. Once you do, enter the required details and proceed further by clicking the login button. Walking through the instructions given on the basic home screen will help you to complete the Netgear Orbi AX4200 setup process. Setup via Orbi app. Connect the Netgear Orbi AX4200 router to the modem. Unlock the mobile device. Once your devices have been synced, download the Orbi app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. After the installation ends, create an account and perform Netgear Orbi login using the credentials of your Netgear Orbi AX4200. Soon, the Netgear Orbi AX4200 setup will make its way to your system screen. Follow the on-screen steps.
Thanks for watching.